Hello guys, today I'm so exciting guys. After this video, you're gonna say me thank you. I will see a lot of comments from you. We're gonna say thank you Mr. Vanel Sylvester for this video. So this video today I'm gonna show you how you can get paid to solve CAPTCHA. What is CAPTCHA? CAPTCHA is when you try to log into a website and you have some mathematics things or some question that they ask you before you can have access to solve as problem. So you will have to solve CAPTCHA. Let me show you. Let me go on Google and show you what is CAPTCHA. What is a CAPTCHA? And you can see sometime you go to a website, you want to get access and they block you. And I'm gonna show you another website ready to pay you just to solve CAPTCHA. Thank you for Wesley $1 billion version. I learned this from his channel and I just replicated for you guys. Maybe you didn't see the video from his channel. This guy is a great guy. I put a link on the description about his video about his product and the product that he sell, so you can try. This guy is making $1 million. He show us this website that can help you make a lot of money, $50 every hour if you know how to use it. So let keep watching guys, don't skip anything, and I'm gonna show you how you can make 50 bucks in just 1 hour solving CAPTCHA. Solving CAPTCHA. Let me show you guys. Solving CAPTCHA. So you see, if you don't find someone who can teach you about this, you won't know, because it is already something that people are making every single day on the internet. Maybe you and me can be the first person to learn about this, but it is not something new. You can see this is what we call solve CAPTCHA. So if you can see this, sometime you go to a website, you want to get access and you get something that block you, something that bother you, that don't want you to get access. This is CAPTCHA guys. So I just click on one picture of a CAPTCHA job so you can understand what it is. And after, I'm gonna go to the website with you and I'm gonna show you this website. You see, when you come to this website guys, you can get access if you don't have a code from a person like me who already registered. So I will give you my personal code so you can get access. This is reserved for people, for great affiliate marketer who make millions online. This is not something available for everyone guys. So this is why you will have to get a code to get access. I'm gonna show you. You may see, you may think I don't wanna give you access, but it is not something that you can go and just go to the website and you get access. You will be blocked if you don't get a code from someone who already part of this. You will be blocked. So guys, let me show you very quickly so you can see why you need this type of thing. On this channel, as I said, we show you free ways to make money online. Free ways to make money online while you are at home. I know so many of you are at home right now. For any reason you are at home, so you will need some side hustle, some side income to complete some bills, to pay some bills, to make some dollar. So this website will give you access to make this money guys, and it is something that even someone who are not a tech guy, who don't have any experience, can start today. So you will have to solve CAPTCHA like this. The website that I'm talking about, guys, before I show you the website, please show me the love for the YouTube algorithm. Please smash the like button for this video. The website that I'm talking about, after you're gonna comment down and let me know. I already registered to this website. You can see this is megatypers.com. Don't worry about this thing you see right here, this site look, but you will be surprised guys, you will be surprised. This website, you see, this is Mega Typers. Let me zoom in for you guys. This is the website Mega Typers. They will pay you to solve CAPTCHA, and I'm gonna show you very quickly why you will need to be part of this website So I'm gonna give you my code. If you wanna be part of this website, to register you will need a code. You can't come to this website and just register. You're supposed to be referred by someone like me or someone who already have been registered. So what you will have to do, you see the website, Mega Typers. Before I can give you access to register, let me show you how it works and in live. Don't quit this video. Stay on the video. I'm gonna show you live how this website works, and you can see it is something that you can make a lot of money. So if I go on this right now, let me show you guys. Let me show you. If I go on this, when you are on Mega Typers, you're gonna go to start working. Start working. So they have typer solver who will make you find more captcha very fast. Okay, you can see start working. So you click it, you click here, and you will start receiving a lot of captcha to solve, and you have only 15 seconds to solve them. Let me show you. I click on start working, guys. That will blow your mind. And if you find value, just give me a like and comment down. You can see the picture will load, the image of the captcha will load, and I have only 15 seconds. You see, it will be refreshed in 3 minutes because I don't have any captcha available. It refresh every 5 or 3 minutes to give me captcha. You see the amount of send that I already got just to solve captcha. So you're gonna see what will happen. So you see I have this. This is all capital letter. I have to solve them very quickly before this hit the 0. Okay, you can see it changed. It was 33, now it is 42 cents. So I have to solve another captcha. You have to be fast, guys, to solve them, and you will see the money right here will come every time. So they will refresh to give me another captcha to solve. You solve them and you get paid. You solve them and you get paid. You can take all day long solving captcha, make more than 500 bucks, guys. It's up to you. You can see this one is CH9AS. If it is not good, I will not have it. So you can see I lose. You see, I lose because you have 15 seconds to solve it. You see, I have here 42 cents. When I solve them, I got money. So you can see this is XRK2, or let's say I have 77142. You see, I will be kicked out because I don't make them on time. I suppose to make them on time. When they give me some captcha, I have to solve them very quickly. And I will show you guys. You see, if you invite friends, okay, to come and work and earn commission from their earnings. So I'm gonna earn 10% from every one of you. When you join, you invite your friends, it's gonna be the same thing. Some of our affiliates are earning over 2,000 typers credit per month. So let me show you. It works very easy. You just need to go into affiliate page. So now you can say, I'm gonna go to Mega Typers just to join. So you will not be able to join. Let me show you. Let me show you. If you try to go by yourself, let's say you want to sign up for this. Okay, when you click on sign up, the sign up button, you're gonna see what will happen. You can fill out every information. You put your name, your email. Let's say I try with a new email. Let's suppose I put something like my email. It's not really my email, so just to show you, I already part of this. Okay, I just put something as my password. Okay, I can confirm the password, something. I can just put something like that and put my name, Vanel Silvas, guys. So you will see where I will be stuck. Okay, so you will say the method that you want to get paid. But me, I choose PayPal. You can choose Western Union. When you get $100, they're gonna send it on Western Union. But if you choose PayPal, when you get $3, they're gonna send it to your PayPal. So I choose PayPal because I got PayPal. So you're gonna put the email, the PayPal email right here, and you're gonna put the invitation code. This is where you will be stuck, guys. If someone don't invite you, you can't get access to this. This is why I See, this is life changing, guys. So if you find value, please comment down below. The code that you're gonna use will be my code, my personal code. If you go to the affiliate section, I go to my affiliate section, I have the code. When you are here, you will have to create a code. This is the code that I'm gonna give you. You're gonna use this code you see right here, the FM3Q. So you're gonna use this code. This is my personal code. I will put the code in the description for you guys, so you can use my code and join. Start making money solving CAPTCHA. If you find value from this video, guys, don't take your time. Go right now, register with Mega Typers, and start making some money. Make this video become viral. Make a lot of people, a lot of your friends see this video, and they can start making some side hustle, guys. If you love what I'm showing you, please smash the like button. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button right now. And thank you again to Wesley Virgin. Go to his channel, Wesley Virgin $1 Billion Virgin. This guy learned me so much thing, and I just replicate this video. I'm so happy that I can share this with you in my channel. It was your boy Vanel. As always, bye bye.